Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make a quick unboxing video. Now this is the Pokanic Bluetooth speaker. I picked this up in eBay for $7.99. So the main reason I bought this was I wanted something that I can use or basically put inside of the shower while I'm bathing. I want to, if I still want to hear music or if I want to continue listening to my audiobook, I'll be able to do that without damaging my phone. So this is not waterproof. This is water resistant. Of course, I mean, for $7.99, I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot. Why not? So this is a front shot of it. This is a side. Of course, it's water resistant, not waterproof. This is the other side. Of course, it's Bluetooth. And this is the back. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get to it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So first thing we have here is, of course, the Bluetooth speaker. We have some documentation here. So we have a micro USB charge cable. Cool. It's not that long, but that's fine. I mean, it's just going to be for charging. It's okay. And we got this little holder here. So it looks like, you can use this, if you're, walking or hiking or anything like that. You could take, basically clamp this into your backpack. So, alrighty. So it does have a fairly big suction cup, which is good. So, all right, so let's go ahead and look around here. So we got volume up button, got a little holder here, volume down. We have a play, pause, and it looks like it's also to answer phone calls. So I wonder if there's actually a microphone also installed in this. And we have a power button. And it looks like here's where we have everything to charge. So we do have the micro SD charger, and from the looks of it right here, we have a slot for micro SD. So okay, all right, well, all right, now I'm intrigued. So I'll go right ahead and review this in a later video. So yeah, this is the Pokanic Bluetooth speaker. Very inexpensive speaker. Yeah, we'll go right ahead and test it out for a week, and I'll go right ahead and make a review on it. And yeah, like always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.